Welcome to this tutorial on importing and organizing media in Adobe Premiere Pro. In this lesson, we will explore a simple and time-efficient technique, the drag and drop method, to import and organize media files. We'll also discuss on the importance of utilizing the autosave feature and demonstrate an alternative importing method too. Before diving into the import process, let's take a moment to review the autosave feature in Adobe Premiere Pro. This ingenious tactic implemented by Adobe ensures that your work is not lost in case of any accidental failure to save. While it may not be the most up-to-date version, the autosave function creates a backup every 20 minutes, providing some level of protection against potential data loss. Now, let's get into the heart of this tutorial, the drag and drop technique for importing media files quickly. First, create a folder. By beginning organizing your media files into a dedicated folder. For instance, if you have clips from a recent shoot, create a folder named Videos. Second, select clips for import. Highlight the clips you want to import in Adobe Premiere Pro. This can be done by clicking and dragging your cursor over those desirable clips. Drag and drop. With this clip selected, drag them over to the Adobe Premiere Pro timeline. Drop the clips onto the timeline and wait for a moment to import the process to complete. You will notice a slight delay. Reviewing imported clips. To review the imported clips, double-click on each clip. This action will load the clips in the source window. You can then scroll through the clips, examine their content, and even play them to get a sense of what they contain. Part 3. Organizing media clips. To maintain an organized workflow, it's crucial to organize your media clips effectively. Here's how you can accomplish this in Adobe Premiere Pro. Organized by name. Adobe Premiere Pro automatically organizes clips based on their names. By default, the clips are arranged in ascending order. If you want the clips to start from the earliest one, ensure that the arrow next to the name points upward. Conversely, if you prefer a top-down arrangement, switch the arrow different. To further organize your clips, create a folder corresponding to clips, theme, or content. In our example, we created a folder called Video. To add clips to the folder, click and hold the Shift key while selecting clips, or hold Ctrl and individual click on each clip. Then drag the selected clip into the folder. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to import and organize media in Adobe Premiere Pro using the drag and drop method. Remember to take the advantage of autosave feature to protect your work. Embrace this technique to streamline your editing workflow and maximize your productivity in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing, and see you in the next episode of this course. You can access it by clicking on this playlist. Thank you.